Telemedicine in intensive care medicine is basically bringing expertise to the patient bed from one side to the other side. We are combining the expert knowledge we have throughout Europe and building up a living quality network for telemedicine while basically combining all the knowledge we have in different parts of Europe, but bringing really the expertise to the patient bed and ultimately improve the patient treatment and the quality of the patient treatment. The main challenges in the project ICU4Covid are that we really have to not only bring new technology to the patient bed, but to also change the workflow, how to do the clinical treatment with the intensive care patients. So bringing technology to the patient bed is the one thing, but changing, revolutionizing the workflows in the intensive care medicine throughout Europe is the other thing. The most benefits of this project ICU4Covid, a child has been treated in an accident and we were able to give advice to this special situation and ultimately were able to improve the quality of care in this special situation. The main impact of this project for the phase after the project is that we were able to build up a living quality network throughout Europe. So we were able to really bring experts from intensive care medicine together, and we were really able to build up a network where we are exchanging knowledge, where we are bringing expertise from the one area to the other area, but this at the same time are the most benefits also that we were able to build up new ideas how to do a patient treatment in the future. What is special with this system, the so-called MONA system, Medical On-Site Assistant, that we were able to build up a new system, a new assistant system for intensive care medicine from scratch. So we were able to build up the hardware, but at the same time the whole software from scratch, while integrating a lot of knowledge from medical experts, such as medical doctors, but also nurses and other staff members working in intensive care medicine. And the technology is the one thing, but also the data we are aggregating is the other thing. Just to give you a number, we are talking about more than 1,000 data points in intensive care medicine that are produced per hour, per day in intensive care medicine per patient. So we have to deal with this amount of data, with this huge amount of data, and this basically is only possible when not only changing the way we are dealing with the technology on the bedside, but also when we are changing it from a clinical data repository perspective, how to deal with this huge amount of data, to standardize it and also to use it for further usage, such as artificial intelligence, improving the algorithms we have, and so on. Obviously, providing telemedicine is not something you can compare to doing a patient treatment next to the patient bed. This means you really have to learn how to do a telemedical consultancy. And we were able in the project ICU4Covid, we were able to identify new standard operating procedures, new guidelines, how to do a telemedical session on a qualitative standard high level, but also on an, let's say, peer-reviewed level where we identify needs we have to improve with respect to the quality.